Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm in Orlando. I'm in Disney World, and I am going to try to make a Halloween Disney tie-dye shirt. Stay with me. When you stay at a Disney resort many times, several times a week, or at least once a week, they have a chance for you to make a Disney tie-dye shirt. Now, this is outside the beach club near the boardwalk in Epcot, and we are trying to make a Halloween Disney t-shirt. I don't know if you've ever made any, but there's different kinds you can make, all different kinds of tie-dye. So we decided we wanted to make the Mickey Mouse purple, and then we wanted around it to be black and orange. So we got the shirt and we decided to try to decorate it. And we had really, really high hopes. I love Halloween, and I loved the Disney Halloween items. So I always want to do something related to Halloween. I love Christmas too. But this one is a Halloween shirt. So first we took the purple, we put it on the ears and the Mickey Mouse. And then we took the black and we did every other one in black. And you can watch that, and this is how you would do it. You would tie it up and you would do it like this. And there is the black. And we're going to put you have to put a lot in, otherwise it doesn't come out well. We tried to put a lot everywhere and to make sure there were no holes. So here we go. And we're going to you can see every other one in black. And then once that's done, we're going to put every other one in orange. Once the black is done, here you go. And here we are starting with the orange. You can see how it is. It's got the purple, the black, and the orange dye. And, you know, the Disney people had put rubber bands around it. So that's how you know where everything is. And here we go with the different orange. And you can see how much orange that we are putting in to try to make that shirt go properly and have all the great colors. So here it's closer to the end. We're just putting a little bit of orange in little spots that we needed it. And then you take it home and you leave it for a week and you wash it and you dry it. So this is how it came out. Yeah, there's a lot of white on this. It probably won't look bad when I have it on. You won't be able to see all the white. But no matter how much we put on, it still came out not quite right. And that's the front, and here is the back. Yeah, a little disappointing. I'm going to try a Christmas one. Hopefully that one will come out better. But that was the t-shirt. If you give this a try, make sure you put more ink than we did. Oh well. This is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. We do a lot of Disney videos, so make sure you watch them all.